This is how to transfer your GoodDollar token to your ByBit exchange account. In this video, I will demonstrate by transferring my GoodDollar token, this GoodDollar token, to my ByBit exchange account. You can see currently that my CELO is 0. I'll be using CELO network. So when the GoodDollar get to ByBit, it will come here in form of CELO via CELO network. You can see this is my current balance on ByBit. Don't forget to sign up to ByBit. Ask JOFA is my sign up bonus code. You'll be able to get $50 sign up bonus, and you'll be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit welcome rewards. The first thing you will need to do is to link your GoodDollar to MetaMask. To do that, you download MetaMask wallet. It is better you use web and desktop computer to do this transaction. By the time you download your MetaMask, this is how your MetaMask will look like. By default, it will come with Ethereum network. So all you need to do is to click this place and you look for CELO. This is CELO. You tap CELO. GoodDollar runs on CELO network, so that's why we are using CELO. So you download MetaMask, you select CELO network. You can see CELO mainnet. You import your GoodDollar. By coming here, you click import token. You search for GoodDollar. You select GoodDollar next. You can see token imported. GoodDollar is here. The next thing you need to do is to import your GoodDollar to your MetaMask wallet. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see exact GoodDollar you hold inside MetaMask. You go to your GoodDollar wallet. You can see this is GoodDollar wallet. For you to import this GoodDollar wallet to your MetaMask, you click here. You click export. You copy this private key. This is your money. You don't divulge it anyhow, anywhere. So you copy it. You go back to your MetaMask. For you to import that GoodDollar private key or MetaMask wallet, you click here. You click add account or add hardware wallet. You click private key. You copy that to this place. You click import. If you do that successfully, you'll be able to see the details of your GoodDollar inside your MetaMask wallet. You can see this is 9,855 GoodDollar I've collected. If you go back to my GoodDollar wallet, you can see this is my GoodDollar wallet. You can see 9,800 plus together with this made over 10,000 GoodDollar that I currently hold and collected for free on my GoodDollar wallet. The next thing is, how do you now transfer this money, your GoodDollar, to ByBit? You can see to transfer this GoodDollar and send to ByBit, GoodDollar is not listed on most crypto exchange. You will need to convert it to a token that is listed. We are under CELO mainnet. We can only swap GoodDollar to CELO native token, which is CELO, and you can see here on MetaMask swap option is deactivated for CELO mainnet. That is to tell you that you cannot swap GoodDollar to any token using MetaMask, and we must swap this GoodDollar to CELO before we can transfer CELO to ByBit. So for you to be able to swap this GoodDollar to CELO, we have to use a decentralized exchange, an app that has a capability to swap this GoodDollar to CELO. I will be using Uniswap interface. All you need to do is to search for Uniswap and you will see it here. You click it. This is the interface. The URL is app.uniswap.org. As soon as you open it, you have to connect it to your MetaMask wallet. To connect it, you just click connect. You click connect. Other wallet. You click connect. You can see it's connecting. You authorize the connection. You can see it has been connected. Don't forget, our objective is to swap GoodDollar to CELO so that we can transfer CELO to ByBit exchange. So here you search for GoodDollar. You select GoodDollar. Look at it. So you click continue. Swapping to CELO network. So we automatically and currently on CELO network on Uniswap. So you select CELO here. You click CELO. Don't forget, our objective is to convert this token to CELO so that we can send CELO to ByBit exchange. So to do that, we've selected GoodDollar and we are sending to CELO. It's very important you know this. You need a little CELO. You can see what I have here is 0.29 USD worth of CELO. To take the fee for this transaction, is very important you do that. You have to make this provision. You can send this CELO from any exchange to your MetaMask wallet before you do this transaction. Otherwise, it will not go. Because all this exchange will take gas fee before you can do this transaction. So you come back back to your Uniswap. Don't forget there's a provision for fee, for gas fee. To convert this $GoodDollar to CELO, you click maximum. We are converting all this to CELO. You can see this is the current worth of this in CELO, and there's provision for gas fee. Look at it here. We are using CELO token bridge, and for that there will be charges. You can see the current rate, and we've selected maximum. All you need to do is to click to view. This is the fee, 0.25%, and this is the gas fee. At worst, it will not be more than 0.163. All you need to do is to click swap. It's currently swapping, but you have to authorize it through your MetaMask wallet. You just click confirm. Is swapping. You can see swapped. So $GoodDollar has been converted and swapped to CELO automatically. You can see we now have 3.86 CELO. If you go back to MetaMask wallet now, you can see CELO is now 3.86, worth $1.17. If you look at $GoodDollar, there is nothing inside $GoodDollar again. If you refresh $GoodDollar wallet, look at it. Refreshing $GoodDollar wallet, the only thing you can see in $GoodDollar is 163 fuse, which is this worth in $GoodDollar. If you click transaction, you can see Uniswap. This amount has been swapped to CELO. There's no $GoodDollar on your $GoodDollar wallet anymore. With your $GoodDollar now converted to CELO, all you need to do is to now transfer this CELO to your ByBit exchange. For you to transfer this CELO to your ByBit, you click here. Because we want to transfer this CELO token, we want to transfer it to ByBit exchange using CELO mainnet network. You click send. This is the address. So we'll go to ByBit to pick the CELO address on ByBit. You can see this is my ByBit. You can see my current balance. I want to deposit CELO from MetaMask. You select deposit. You click I'm depositing crypto. Choose coin to deposit. So I will search for CELO. I'm depositing CELO. We are going to use CELO network, which is the only network. You select it. Now this is the CELO address that we will need to copy. So you copy CELO address. You take this copied address to your MetaMask. You paste the CELO address here. That is the CELO address. Look at it. So that is the CELO address going to ByBit exchange. You tap maximum because you want to transfer all the amount to ByBit exchange. So the next thing is to click continue. You click continue. We are transferring 3.86 for CELO. We are transferring it to ByBit exchange. You click confirm. You can see send 3.86 sent. You come back to your token. You can see it has been sent. You come back to your ByBit. You can see your fund is now on your ByBit. My balance has increased, and you can see this is the money here, 1.17 USD. If you click asset, look at it, CELO. So your money is now on ByBit exchange. You can decide to convert this and withdraw to your bank account in your country. All you need to do is to click convert. Here you select CELO, you select CELO, you select all. You can see you just click quote, and all this money will be converted to USDT. You cannot transfer this money to your bank account in your country using P2P transfer. You just come to this place. Look at it, P2P. Look at it, this P2P. All you just need to do is to select that you are selling. You pick your bank account. You select the pairs that will help you send the money to your bank account. It is very straightforward, step by step. You can watch this video. You'll be able to see how I did it. Transfer my funds using P2P to my bank account in my country. Thank you.